Hey everybody, welcome to Brother X. I had my deep freezer lid open all night because it was -3. So my deep freezer is frozen solid. So let me try to smash this up. I'm glad I got all my toys here. Because I took them out just in case they got frozen solid, and I'm glad I did. So let's give this a smash. Wow, this is impressive. I hope this is as exciting for you guys as it is for me, because this is a lot of ice. I just want to make sure that I have room to get in. Alright, I think that's enough messing around. Okay, let's see how what the temperature is. Okay, so it's let's see the temperature. Here we go. Still says it's 0.5. It's 32.9 degrees Celsius, 32.9 degrees Fahrenheit, and 0.5 degrees Celsius. All right, and it's been freezing all night. So, okay. Can I get my toys off here? Oh, I know what happened. Okay, my toys got stuck to my step here. So here, let me go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes and 30 seconds in this freezing water. Okay, let's do this. Here, I'll take off my thermal shirt. I don't have any noises going on in the background. It's a lot of work to do this, but okay, let's make sure everything's working. Okay, we're 3 minutes in. Okay, let's do the ice bath. Here we go. Turn this on. I almost forgot. Okay. Wow. It's like real slushy consistency here. Wow. Got the... I'm trying to get in. This is cold. A lot of ice. I got class at 11 o'clock. 11 to 12 is weapons class. 12:30 to 2 is Nimpo Jiu-Jitsu, and 2:15 to 3:15 is Koru Karate for me. So I have a busy day of martial arts ahead of me. So if I don't chill out beforehand and get toughened up and get my mind, spirit, and body aligned in the ice bath for my classes, I don't do so good. But when I do my ice baths, I perform excellent because I'm aware, I'm alert, and I'm present. This is an amazing ice bath right now. There's so much ice. Oh, I don't think I can go any lower than this, but I can always build up ice on top of me. There's so much ice. Oh boy. I believe I've been in here for about 2 minutes now. And this is very cold. Very cold. The reason why my ice baths don't freeze solid is because I put bath oil in here. And also Epsom salts. So the ice doesn't get super solid, but it still retains the cold without freezing solid. So I don't ruin my deep freezer. I can really hear the timer behind me working. I guess the cold is making the components make noises. Woo! Very cold, but comfortable at the same time. I don't know how to describe it, but this feels very comfortable. As I'm getting lower, as my body's melting the ice on the sides a little more, I'm fitting in a little bit more comfortably. Yeah, sometimes I can't talk as much because this is very challenging being in the ice bath. It's about 10 o'clock right now in the morning, so I have about an hour to get ready for class. That's the dojo. Hi, Jamie. Hi, Brandy. Ugh. Today feels like winter for me. I can't even turn around. Okay, we got a minute and a half left. My hands are starting to get cold in the ice here. My hands are getting really slow and cold. I don't wear gloves. I don't wear socks in the ice bath. I take it au naturel. Beautiful day. Beautiful ice. Beautiful ice bath. I'm gonna let the geese out as soon as I get out. I'm gonna give this a quick wipe down, let the geese out, let the chickens out, go take a warm shower, and then get ready for class. And that's my Sunday. And then I'm gonna make pasta. Make pasta tonight from scratch. And that's 5.5 minutes in frozen ice bath, legit. Okay, I'm kind of stuck. Let me try to get out of here. Super cold. Okay, shush. Okay, here, let's give this a quick wipe. Okay. Here, I'm gonna give you guys a little, here, let me fix the ice here. Here, let me give this a little spin now so I can take this off. So excuse the... I'm trying to take it off my stand here, but my hands are frozen. Thank you. All right, here we go. So now, here, I guess I'll just do it like this. Everything is frozen solid. Look at that. That's frozen solid. The grass is really hard on my feet. But I'm I'm walking around here with my bare feet. Hi guys. This is a lot harder on frozen than it is. Hi guys. I'm walking a little bit weird because oh, hi chickens. Here you guys go. Freedom. Hi guys. Good morning. Good morning, guys. It looks like the crows and ravens got here. They got into stuff. Okay. Hi, guys. Hi. Hi, Archie. Come on, Bills. Here, Bills. Here, Bills. Come on. Don't get left behind. All right. Oh, here they come. All right, I'm walking back. I'm gonna take a shower now and get ready for class. Hey guys. Okay, here, let me I'm still walking slow, but that's okay. Hey guys. And I need to get them some water because this is frozen. So let me oh, there they go, good. Okay, I'm gonna unfreeze this. There we go. Now I can fill that up. Fill that up inside. All right, well, I hope this was a good video. My feet are very cold. But yeah, have a glorious day, everybody. As I said, I have a busy day, but I was able to push through in this cold. I don't even feel that cold right now. That's quite odd. I don't even feel the cold, and I'm in the cold, so yeah. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.